everybody, welcome to the final episode of How to Take Control During Chaotic and Turbulent Times. Now, we have gone through quite a lot of things that we can do to take control, and today we're going to talk about why you should adopt plant-based food. Now, we all know that we need to stay home to stay alive. We all know how dangerous this coronavirus is. The disease can jump from the animals to humans. And to avoid that, or by adopting plant-based food, you don't have to worry about that. You will be able to enjoy healthy eating, plus you will be able to stop animal cruelty and reduce your global footprint. It is easy to start plant-based food because we're staying at home. Time's on your side, and you can use that time to focus on it. You can start by cooking foods that you already love to eat and cook. Then we can expand that. Make sure that you set your schedules and stick to your routines. It's quite easy to do. How? First, sit down with your family and communicate, and also get everybody on board and accept that this is the new normal now. So we need to make change to make our life much better. We can't enjoy what we had before, but there's an opportunity that you can find the next best thing by cooking the things that you already love to eat and cook, and expand that. And I can show you how to do that. If you're interested, I have a 45 minutes free class for you to come on. I will share with you my simple 3 secrets that you can take and apply straight after the class. And you will be able to enjoy healthy eating to improve your health condition, also boost your immune system, have a better relationship with food, and reconnect with your family. Also, lose a little bit of weight in the process. How good is that? You will get more energy and reduce that stress in your life. Wouldn't you want that? I'd love to see you at my class, so click on the link at missygrace.com/free class. I will see you there. Until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.